Hello everyone, I am James and we're back with Pasal English. So let me ask you a question now. Which one of these questions do you think is correct? Excuse me, could you tell me where is the bank? Excuse me, could you tell me where the bank is? Which one did you go for? If you went for the first answer, I'm afraid to say that you'd be completely wrong. Okay everyone, so today we're going to be talking about direct questions and indirect questions and how we use the to be verb when asking these questions. So when we ask direct questions like what is your name, or where is the bank, or what is your job, you'll notice that the is right in the middle of the sentence. However, when we're trying to be a little bit more polite, we tend to use indirect questions which use modal verbs such as could or would or can. So for example, can you tell me what your name is? Would you mind telling me where the bank is? And this works exactly the same when you're using the are conjugation of the verb to be. So, how old are you? In the indirect form would be, could you tell me how old you are? And where are my keys? Would be, could you tell me where my keys are? Okay, nice one everyone. That's the end of this video, and if you liked it, make sure you subscribe to our channel to listen for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.